Xbox Laser Cleaning. To clean the laser, unscrew and lift the drive out of the unit. You can then remove the front shield and then unclip the clips on either side and remove the plastic drive holder. Using a small screwdriver, remove the two screws, one located on either side of the drive, and lift off the cover. You can then unplug and completely remove the drive from the unit. Using a clean cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol, clean the spindler hub by spinning and rubbing with the cotton swab, and then dry off with your fingers. Clean the laser eye by gently cleaning with a cotton swab. Careful not to press too hard or to scratch the lens. Be sure to also clean off any dust from the surrounding metal plate. Careful not to touch the laser eye with your finger. Snap the drive back into the plastic holder and then reconnect the IDE and power cables and set the drive back into the unit. You can then use a can of compressed air to clean any dust that may have accumulated in the unit. Then power up the unit to test and make sure the laser was cleaned properly and that the unit is functioning. You can then finish reassembling the Xbox unit.